For years, AI was all about getting bigger. Trillions of parameters, massive data centers. But the biggest trend in 2026 isn't bigger, it's smaller. Welcome to the era of small language models. An SLM or small language model is an AI model with fewer parameters, usually under 10 billion. While massive models like GPT-4 need cloud supercomputers, SLMs are efficient enough to run on your laptop or even your phone. Why go small? Reason 1. Privacy. When you use a cloud model, your data leaves the building. With an SLM running locally, your sensitive financial data, medical records, or proprietary code never touches the internet. It's the ultimate security guarantee. Reason 2. Cost and speed. Calling a giant API costs money per token. Running a local model is free after hardware. Plus, latency is lower because you aren't waiting for a network round trip. It feels instant. Reason 3. Specialization. A huge model knows everything about everything. But an SLM can be fine-tuned to be an expert at just one thing, like writing Python code or summarizing legal contracts. A specialist small model often beats a generalist giant. The heavy hitters today, Meta's Llama 3, incredibly capable for its size. Mistral punches way above its weight class. Microsoft Phi 3, designed to run on mobile devices with high reasoning ability, and it's easy to try. Download a tool like LM Studio or LLM. In 5 minutes, you can have a powerful AI running on your own machine, completely offline. No coding required. The future of AI isn't just in the cloud. It's in your pocket. If this helped, like the video and subscribe to the AI Buzz YouTube channel. It really helps us grow.